Welcome to this technical guide on the Teclast F7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your Teclast F7 can't last through a meeting without needing to plug in, you're not alone. This is a common issue that many users face, usually stemming from a worn-out battery. If left unresolved, the problem can become worse, leading to unexpected shutdowns and further inconvenience during your work or leisure activities. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a spudger, and of course, a compatible replacement battery for your Teclast F7. Begin by turning off your device completely to ensure safety during the repair. Next, carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and gently work your way around, ensuring you don't apply too much pressure to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is off, you'll locate the battery, which is typically secured with screws. Take your Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws that hold the battery in place. Remember to keep them in a safe spot. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the battery cable using your spudger. Take your time here, as rushing could lead to damage to the connector. Now, you can carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Place the new battery in the same position, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable, making sure it's secure. Remember to replace the screws to hold the battery in place, tightening them firmly but not excessively. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, take the back cover and snap it on securely, making sure there are no gaps. Turn your device back on and check that it's functioning properly, ensuring the battery is charging as expected. To prevent this issue from happening again, try to avoid letting your battery drain completely on a regular basis, as this can shorten its lifespan. Additionally, always ensure you're using the correct charger for your device to maintain optimal battery health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.